What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to use the Visualmodo themes in order to update the current year that used to appear into our site, copyright, footer, or every single page of your site in the case that you want, okay? So let's get this to the point. Are you not tired when you have to, every beginning of the year, go to all the sites that you manage and change this copyright footer for the current year, and you do not judge the sites that does this? When you see a site with the copyright footer with 2021 and you are in 2023, for example, so we have to go to the place where we did type at this footer content, change the year. But there is a better way, especially if you are using a Visualmodo theme, and this is what we're gonna learn into this video, okay? So let's get this started, but before, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, tips, entertainment, and many more topics in order to use internet on your site's favor. So let's get to the WordPress dashboard. If you are using any Visualmodo theme, okay, any Visualmodo premium theme, you're gonna be able to see a Visualmodo panel into your WordPress dashboard to the left sidebar, and from here go to theme options, okay? Once on theme options, we have this menu right here, fully customizable, and next to header we have the footer. Click on it, okay? And here is our text. If you want, we can change this 2022 for 2023, update, go to the site, and here is the year. But into the next year, into the beginning of the year, I'm gonna have to come here again and go and type 2024, okay? And this is a lifetime work. And how to change this? First of all, I have to delete this text, save change, go to reset section, okay? Just to refresh, and here is the default text that came into the WordPress footer when we install our theme from the beginning, okay, and do not have an old site, for example. So if you install your theme today, it's gonna comes with all of this content. And if you review the site footer, here is the footer content: copyright 2023, Visualmodo, sandbox, there is the site title, powered by Visualmodo. So let's explore this little shortcode. Let me apply some zoom on it. Copyright, this is a content. We can change the copyright for registered, for example. So what is the Visualmodo copyright? Let me copy this shortcode and delete it. It's just the symbol, okay? So we can apply the symbol in the place that you want. For example, we can apply the symbol before the content. So, symbol, registered, Visualmodo, current year, site title. Where is the site title? Is the one that you use to set up on settings, general, into your WordPress dashboard, okay? So, Visualmodo copyright, registered, Visualmodo current year, okay, this is important, okay? Current year, this is where all the magic starts, because instead of typing the current year and come back right here to the next year to update the year and go to the next year and next year, we can just apply this little short code right here that you can copy on your site and post, or go to refresh page in order to have this content automatically placed, or install your Visualmodo theme once again. But Visualmodo current year, simple as it is. If you have this short code into 2024, this text gonna change automatically as soon as the year changes. The site title and powered by Visualmodo theme author. In the case that you do not want to have the Visualmodo link on your site footer, you can also delete this content in the case that you want, but the short codes are here to make your work easier. So if you want to have the current year displayed in any part of your site, here is the footer copyright section, but we can apply into footer columns, into page content, into somewhere around the header, using some widget, for example. We can just copy this content and place into wherever we want. Of course, we can play with. This is the Visualmodo site title, powered by Visualmodo theme author. You can type your site title, you can type a different content, it's up to you. You can replace, you can copy the site title, delete, and place right here, for example. Let's update and check. Visualmodo sandbox, that is our site title, the copyright symbol, the text that we did type it, the current year, and the powered by theme author. Okay, you can change the powered by for made with love, for example. Made with love by. So as you can check, it's really easy to play with this content and have not the work of changing a lot of things every single year, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin in order to gain more widgets, elements, templates, and tools. And even pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, just like this one that I'm using to this example website. Let me show you. Borderless. Into Borderless, you have all of the tools you want, okay? So, in the case there are in need of the best free WordPress theme, you can go to the WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Enzu, click on install and activate it. The Enzu theme also have this option, okay? Moreover, in the case that you want to use one of the Visualmodo premium themes, you can go to the visualmodo.com, purchase one of our previously made themes, the premium themes. For example, this one for hotels, for real estate. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to let me know if you have some doubts on your theme usage. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you tomorrow. All the best.